to my channel. Okay, so today, yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys this new KENWOOD kMix that I just bought, and we are going to be unboxing it together. Like, I've never been so happy to have a mixer in my entire life. I think this is like my 7th or 8th mixer, yeah, in the history of my business, but I am so excited because this like symbolizes like a new beginning for me, and I am so excited. So today I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys, yeah. So I'm bending it so you can see it properly. Okay, so it comes with like a manual. I think I bought it for like $3.86 at Curry's, and they delivered it like 2 days ago, but I didn't want to unbox it before I make a video. It comes with a manual and like, you know, instructions on the attachments and stuff. So guys, I am so excited. Okay, and then it comes with this spatula. Like, if you ever bought a KENWOOD mixer, I think all of them come with this particular spatula, and it's so durable. The only problem I had with the last one was that like it kept changing color. Like when you mix red velvet with it, it has red velvet color for the next couple of days. When you mix chocolate with it, it has that for the next couple of days. But it's really durable and very flexible, so I like it, and it scrapes really well. So let's take this out, and then put this there. And then this is a whisk attachment. Yeah, it seems quite powerful. It seems a little bit stronger than the one that came with my Prospero. If you're not new to this channel, you know, like I had a KENWOOD Prospero for like 7 years, and that mixer like really served me. So I think this one is a little bit stronger. And then this is the paddle attachment for, you know, cakes and stuff. And then, oh, this is the guard for when you're mixing it so it doesn't like keep spilling out and everything. Oh, this is really cute though. Oh, and it has like, you know, it opens. Oh, is this functional? The fact that it opens, but it's not opening completely. Did I break it? Yeah. Oh, it does open. Oh, it does open. It's just a little squeaky. Oh, it opens completely though. Okay, and then this is the attachment, you know, for fondant, you know, for doughs and stuff. This is a hook attachment. So, dun, 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 dun. Let's bring this out. Okay. Okay, I think that's all in the box, yeah? That's all. So the box is empty. So just this one, and let's put them here. And this one. Okay, this is the bottom. See the bottom? Yeah, this one. So, guess what color it is first? You guys should guess what color it is. Blue, or there's a blue, there's a pink, there's a red, and there's like a jade green. Yeah, like jade. Guess what color it is? I'm sure you guys can tell like this. Who has time for scissors? So I'm just going to open it like this. Oh god, it is so fucking gorgeous. It is pink. It's so pretty, guys. Oh, it's heavy though. It's heavier than my Prospero. And I bought the one that has like a glass. Yeah, I put something on TikTok that this one is not as strong. That the glass, whatever, is not strong, but. And she said it was plastic. This is not plastic, this is glass. I'm a little overwhelmed. Oh, it is so cute. Okay. Oh, I should show you guys this. So I think it comes with this, so it can like hold this thing in place so it doesn't move around and stuff. So let me just remove it. And then, how does it open? How does one open this thing? Here. Oh, if you pull this up, it opens. Oh, wow. Bougie. And it's like ceramic. It's so freaking gorgeous. It's so... Oh, and then it has this thing. I don't know, I should come and show you guys. Oh, and then this is the plug. I'm not really pleased with the fact that it's not long. Let's say, for example, I want to mix it on here and my plug is there, so I need to get an extension. I wish this, thing was slightly longer. But who am I to wish? It is gorgeous. Let me remove this. It is absolutely gorgeous. See, it's not very long. See, I think it's like maybe 2 meters. What am I saying? It's up to a meter. Yeah, maybe like a meter. But is there anyone like hanging inside? Oh, that's it. I think that's it. Oh, it's not long at all though. Watch. Oh, absolutely gorgeous this unit is. It's so pretty. I'm sorry. It's so beautiful. And when you turn it on, it's like it pairs. Like I said, not gushing, yeah? It has like a calibration, the speed calibration of like 1 to 6. And then it has one that's like maximum and stuff. And that's like the fastest one. It's so pretty. And then you press that thing, like you push it up if you want to lift the head of the mixer. That's how to lift the head. That thing at the back, like push it up like that, yeah. And then the head of the mixer can be like moved backward in case you want to change the paddle attachment or the whisk or something. Okay, so, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The only thing is, usually I like to buy mixers that are like 7 liters, but this one is 5, but I'll make it. It's so freaking pretty. Like, and the bowl kind of keys in. There's this thing where like it can like, you kind of like screw it in, yeah. So like it's really firm and stable, so it won't be moving around when you're mixing like really strong stuff. Like, I'm really impressed, and it's so gorgeous, and I love that it's pink. Oh, who cares? This bowl is 5 liters though, which is really good. I wish it was like 7. I got one for 7 liters, but I was attracted to the fact that this bowl is transparent and you can see inside. Okay, and this space kind of like has the way it looks, so it's not like just the other Kenwood mixers where you can just put it in, which is quite cool. Oh yeah, it locks in place. Oh, that's really cool. Let me turn it to the front for you guys. So I don't know what this is for. I think it's just to yeah. And then gorgeous. Gorgeous. It is so pretty. Okay, so let me run the motto and let's see like how like loud or not loud it is. I hope it's not very loud because I don't like it when my mixer is very loud because like I like to bake in the midnight. And I don't like to disturb whoever is in my house apart from me. So, and usually my lady. Oh yeah, so that's really cool. Okay, because quality is interesting. Okay, so let me plug it and let's see how loud or how smooth the motor. Okay, so I'm going to have to move it here so that it can get here. So you guys see. Okay, that's just how far it goes. Like really. Okay, so I plugged it. So let's see how small the motor runs. Shh, everyone. Oh wow. Watching my video, and if this is your first time on this channel, like you've missed, and if this is not your first time, you know how much I love Kenwood mixers. I'm not even joking, I love them. So I think this is going to be a great buy. I really love it, so but I'm hoping it works really well and lasts as long as and it has like a 5-year warranty. Yeah, I hope it lasts as long as my other mixer and stuff. So thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. Maybe that was some genuine